Welcome to the Sheets course. The first team members interacting with the Sheets tool will be those in charge of uploading sheets to a project. They'll set up projects, manage all versions and revisions of project drawings in one place, and keep the project up to date so field teams can work with the latest project sheets. Once sheets are uploaded and published to a project, the entire project team, whether in the office or the field, can access and view them. If the project team needs to leverage the Markup, Issue, and Compare tools to streamline workflows and improve inefficiencies, they may do so directly on the project sheets. The sheet markup tools allow team members to create markups on drawings to collaborate with project team members. Plus, you may set member permission levels that allow members to take certain actions within the Sheets tool. In this course, you'll learn how to upload, publish, edit, access, view, compare, and export sheets, as well as manage permissions, communicate through markups, and use the publish and sheet activity logs.